A U.S. federal appeals court has upheld an order halting work on President Donald Trump's planned White House ballroom. The ruling is setting up another battle over presidential authority before the U.S. Supreme Court. Now, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit ruled against the Trump administration. The three-judge panel, in a 2-1 decision, said that each president is a temporary tenant, not the owner of the White House and its executive residence. The appeals court agreed with the lower court that such a major overhaul of the White House requires explicit approval from Congress and added that whether or not a massive ballroom should be constructed is for Congress to decide and is not a matter for executive self-help. Now, the recent ruling puts Trump's $400 million project on hold. The court has also paused its own decision for 2 weeks, and that gives Trump administration time to ask the United States Supreme Court to intervene in the matter. Trump reacted angrily to the appeals court ruling. The U.S. president said that his administration will move the Supreme Court immediately against the ruling. Attacking the judges, Trump said that 2 appeals court judges appointed by Obama and Biden voted against the desperately needed military center. He called the decision horrendous, politically motivated and unlawful ruling, adding that the ruling is being viewed as a national security threat to the country.
We will never give the presidential approval for the Arc de Triomphe or the East Wing Ballroom. I mean, these are vanity projects. And some reports indicate that the president is spending literally 70% of his time.
Number one, the president's raised a lot of private money to fund it, and that's going to be something that future administrations can use, whether they're Republican or Democrat.
Trump first presented the ballroom as a venue for galas and other events. Later, he also pointed to an underground military bunker and other security features being added as part of the project. The White House initially cited a $200 million price tag for the project. It quickly doubled the estimate to $400 million. Trump has insisted that the ballroom will be privately financed, but media reports in June showed that significant taxpayer funds were going to the project. In October 2025, Trump said that the East Wing demolished to make way for his mega ballroom project. The National Trust for Historic Preservation challenged the project in court 2 months later. In April, the project received planning approval, but a lower court halted construction temporarily. The court said that the congressional approval is mandatory for this project, and the same ruling has been upheld by the D.C. Circuit Appeals Court.